So we're going to do some nice modern steppers. Fireplace right here. Steps around, leading to the back. And in the back, you want something to, we can do something with the back of it. River rock along here with synthetic turf. And maybe the raised planters on this side because it gets the most sun. So rubber rock, and the rest decorative rock, decorative stone, nice and modern. Look nice. So we're gonna turn this into this. These plans right here, check these plans out, I made them. Now the customer, you see now the customer know what they're gonna get, exactly how it's gonna look like before it's even built. All right, my illegal amigos, I'm back again. We're over here in the Covington area. Give you a little update on the job we started this week. Look at this. Took out all this freaking crap right here. We took about freaking anywhere from 4 to 6 inches of bad soil right here. When it rained right here, the soil just absorbed all that water, but didn't let it go. It just retained it, and it was bad stuff right here. More like potting soil than three-way. But check this out. We went down. Went down several inches. So the grass was up to here, touching the bottom of the fence. We took out the grass, and this topsoil right here, about freaking 6 inches. We took down till we touched base. Look at this, all out, all the crap out. And over here, there was a drainage problem because the soil was so thick and it was retaining freaking too much water. It was a mud mess, so we're gonna do this with nice gravel. But as you can see, the second job site right now, it's coming along. You know what it is. Oh, later. Here, I got all the forms ready for concrete tomorrow. Look at this. It's gonna be a freaking broom finish patio. I got the gas pipe sticking up right here for the fire bowl. They're ready to go. Put it in the last form right here. Look at this. Steppers. Look at these badass steppers. Into the lounging area. You know what it is. All right, everybody. So an update right here. Look, we got the freaking mud in the ground. They're doing the cuts. They're bullfloating it. You know what it is. We got this badass freaking outdoor living space in the making right now. Check this out real quick. Look at this big old freaking patio. We're gonna have a fire bowl right here hooked up to this. And then the steppers right here. Bam, 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 bam. You can play leapfrog if you want. Then we got the steppers coming in from the gate all the way down here. We're gonna put a rock in between the cracks. Outdoor lighting. So this side can be illuminated. This side be illuminated. And we're gonna have the fireball in there. And right there where my friend's standing, we're gonna do synthetic turf. We're gonna do synthetic turf right here too. We did this kind of footing right here to bring up the elevation. Gonna look badass. It'll look clean. All right, everybody. Peace to the Middle East. Oh. right, boys and girls, as freaking promised. Well, I didn't promise, but you know, I do what I say. But we got this beautiful, beautiful outdoor living space ready. Got my boy helping me here doing the final touches. Look at him. He's ready to go. Look at this. We got the concrete steppers. We got the low voltage lighting. Salt and pepper, synthetic turf, 2 planters. We got the freaking bomb-ass, badass freaking fireball. Look at that. Ooh. We got the freaking string lights. Synthetic turf. We got more steppers over here. Look at this. Stepper, synthetic turf. And we can't forget the sky hollies and hydrangeas, strawberry hydrangeas, but they're not in season, so it's going to take a while for them to pop out. But look at this. From a design, 2D, to a well thought out plan, it came alive. Look at this. Can't go wrong. It's beautiful. It's legit. The best part of it all, look at these string lights. Hold on, let me get over here. Look at these badass freaking string lights. We just put them up today. And look at this freaking fireball. Oh, look at that beauty right there. Look at that. It is freaking awesome. Can't go wrong with this. It's on point. Design first approach. So if you're thinking of getting stuff like this done with the well design, then it can be executed nice and freaking awesome. Look at this. All right, my amigos, stay tuned for the finished product. I'm gonna have my friend Victor take the pictures. The final product, you know what it is. Oh, Blue Coast. Look at this. Look how cozy it is. What's up, little man? Look at this freaking lounge space. It's just badass. Look at this. Can't go wrong with this. Got the fireball, got the lights. Ooh-wee.
Maria here with Blue Coast Outdoor Designs. Check out this beautiful outdoor living space. Hey you guys, Maria.
Go ahead, I'll just do it again. Hey,
Hello you guys, Maria here with Blue Coast Outdoor Designs. Check out this beautiful outdoor living space. Outdoor living space.
I didn't, because with my gimbal I have a button. I can go and go, so I get confused every time.
Hey you guys, Maria here with Blue Coast Outdoor Designs. Check out this beautiful outdoor living space.